If r and s are positive, which of the following expressions is equivalent to r to the power of 6 over 7 times s to the power of 3 over 7 whole to the power of -1? In the given answer choices, I have to find the expression that is equivalent to the given expression. Okay, now let me take the given expression as it is, that is r to the power of 6 over 7 times s to the power of 3 over 7 whole to the power of -1. Let me consider a power with the exponent -1, that is a to the power of -1. I want to get the stuff that is equal to a to the power of -1. Whenever the exponent is -1, we need to write 1 in numerator, and in denominator we have to write this base a. So 1 over a is the stuff that is equal to a to the negative first power. Now let's consider the given stuff over here. For this expression we have exponent -1. So now what we can do is we can write 1 in numerator. In denominator we have to write this base, that is r to the power of 6 over 7 times s to the power of 3 over 7. Okay, 1 over r to the power of, we can write this 6 over 7 as 6 times 1 over 7 times s to the power of, we can write this 3 over 7 as 3 times 1 over 7. Okay, 1 over r to the power of, whenever two values are multiplied at the exponent, we can take one of these two values as an exponent for the base r, and we can take the other value as an exponent for the whole stuff. Okay, in these two values, I'm taking the first value 6 as an exponent for the base r. Then we have r to the power of 6. We can take the second value 1 over 7 as an exponent for the whole stuff. The same thing we can do for this one. That is, we can take the first value 3 as an exponent for the base s. Then we get s to the third power. We can take the second value 1 over 7 as an exponent for the whole stuff. 1 over, here two powers are multiplied with the same exponent 1 over 7. Whenever two or more powers are multiplied with the same exponent, we can take the exponent in common. That is, we have r to the power of 6 times s to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 over 7. Okay, here in denominator, when I consider the exponent, it is a fraction with numerator 1. Whenever the exponent is a fraction with numerator 1, it can be written as radical. The index of the radical has to be the denominator. Here the denominator is 7. So when I write this exponent as a radical, the index of the radical will be the denominator 7. Then we have 1 over 7th root of r to the power of 6 times s to the power of 3. Here I got the expression that is equivalent to the given expression. I find this expression in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.